Hey guys, hi. So I'm at dudhsagar waterfall. It took me one hour 45 minutes to reach here, and it's at 90 kilometers from Bagator beach. So the place is super amazing, super scenic, and you have to wear your life jacket for sure here. It's like mandatory. I'm not wearing it right now because I'm not going inside the water, and yeah, because I don't have my spare clothes. So yeah, I'm enjoying here. Let me show you the place. So let me take you to the place from where I started the journey. So this is the ticket counter. I paid 700 plus 40 rupees for life jacket. If you're more people, you'll have to pay less. So you'll be assigned a car from here with a driver, and you can go and come back within 1.5 hours time. And the road looks quite raw but really interesting. Beautiful but adventurous, क्योंकि हमें फॉरेस्ट और रिवर क्रॉस करके जाना है यहाँ से. So cab stops here, and from here we have to go by walk, and it takes around 20 minutes, 15 to 20 minutes by walk. हाँ, me too. We could have easily gone by a better road, but हमें तो off-roading करना है.
तो चढ़ सकते हैं ना. क्यों नहीं आज? एक बार आइए संभाल के. ऑपोजिट डायरेक्शन.
Okay. So I have to go from here. This is the route here. dudhsagar waterfall. This place is so beautiful, and the road is amazing, man. Like Let's go there. Let's check out the place.
I did not expect so many people here. And गोवा आके दूधसागर waterfalls जाना तो बनता है. So it's located on the Montevideo River and it's amongst India's tallest waterfalls with a height of 310 meters and 1017 feet, an average width of 30 meters. So the waterfalls forms the border between Karnataka and Goa state. So that's it for today. Like, share and subscribe to this channel if you like the video. And don't forget to hit the bell notification so that you'd get notified whenever I upload any new video. I'll catch you soon with something really interesting next time. Till then, stay tuned.